Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over how to schedule training classes. First, you'll go to the training list and find the training you want to schedule a class for. On the status dropdowns, you will select classes, then schedule. Type in or select a start date, as well as a start and end time. Select an instructor from your approved instructor list by using this dropdown, or type in any instructor name in this field. This is a newly added instructor. It will ask you to confirm that you want to add this to your approved instructor list. To manage your instructors, you can always go to classes, then instructors. Select a location. And again, you can manage your locations by either double clicking in the location field and making any needed changes or adding a new location, or by going to lookup lists and class locations. And there is a separate video for managing your lookup list items. To enroll employees, you can either click this Add Employees button on the right. And on this screen, you will be able to enroll either individual employees by checking off their names, or an entire job title or department. Now, anyone that has either of these departments or job titles or additional job titles listed will have a little check mark next to their name so you can enroll them. You can also click the button down below that says show required employees only if you want to see just that group of employees, and you can further enroll or unenroll anyone that you would like. When you're all set, click on the add button, and everyone that has the check mark next to their name will be enrolled for the class. You can also enroll employees by selecting them from this drop down the bottom. You can always add more, edit currently scheduled employees by selecting a different name, or delete the enrolled employees by clicking the red X and clicking yes to confirm. If you ever need to edit a class, you can make any changes directly on the screen that you may need, and you're all set. To delete a class, simply click the red X on the right that says delete class, then confirm deletion. Once it's time to host the class, there are a couple of sign-in sheets that you can print out. Some of them have barcodes, some do not. Barcodes can be used later to scan to add completions quicker, and there is a separate video on how to use barcodes. But otherwise, you can use any of the listed sign-in sheets where your employees can sign next to their name that to acknowledge they attended the class. And then later you can scan the barcodes, as I mentioned. So there's sign-in sheets for this class with and without barcodes. There's one for all employees, required employees, and you can also print a class roster. If you want to add completions for everybody that's enrolled, you can simply click the button at the bottom right that says Mark All Complete, and that will allow you to add completions as a group for all of the enrolled employees. You can also print completion certificates from the screen once you've added your completions. You can also add completions directly by selecting, pasting, or typing in a completion date in the complete field next to the employee's name. Anyone that does not have a completion date listed next to their name will not get a completion added for them. If you ever need to look at your previously scheduled classes that have passed or completed classes, you can go to classes and then completed. As I mentioned earlier, you can also manage your instructors by going to classes and instructors. And here you can type in a new instructor name. And select their default class location if you would like. and an estimated cost as well if you prefer. You can also edit and delete instructor records. If you need to delete, just click the red X and confirm deletion. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.